savvy entrepreneurs, are you considering diving into the world of TikTok Shop but wondering if it's worth your time and investment? Well, stick around because today we're going to explore whether selling on TikTok is truly worth it. So let's address the big question. Is it worth selling on TikTok? The short answer is yes. And let me tell you why. First things first, is TikTok Shop free? Well, registering for a seller account is indeed free, but here's the catch. There are commission fees involved in each transaction, and sellers are responsible for covering these fees. But don't let that discourage you just yet. Let's break down those fees, shall we? In both the UK and the US, TikTok Shop offers a competitive fee structure with an initial rate of 1.8% for the first 90 days. It's a sweet deal for newcomers. After that, the standard rate kicks in at 5%. But what about shipping fees and payment methods? Well, TikTok Shop supports PayPal for seamless transactions, and shipping fees are calculated based on product weight and delivery location, ensuring a smooth order delivery process. Now, let's talk about the juicy stuff. How much can you actually make from TikTok Shop? Well, the sky's the limit. Your earnings depend on factors like product demand, pricing, marketing strategies, and audience appeal. And guess what? TikTok Shop has seen sellers achieve incredible revenue growth, like Marianne, who experienced a staggering 185k month-over-month revenue growth within 6 months. So there you have it, folks. Selling on TikTok Shop is definitely worth it. Despite the fees, the platform offers unparalleled opportunities for engagement, conversion, and brand recall. With the right strategy and tools like Link My Books, which seamlessly integrates your TikTok Shop with your accounting platform, you can navigate this thriving marketplace with confidence and maximize your earnings potential. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more valuable content, and head over to our website to read the full blog post for even more insights on selling on TikTok. And hey, why not start your risk-free 14-day trial of Link My Books today? Until next time, happy selling.